Jump ball. Pellegrino against Orca. Pellegrino. Pull up jumper at 3. 1-2. Rebound Braga. Rockid now with the leader. Cross the mid lane, setting the play. Rockid sisinyas dito. He goes to the screen. Tries a triple. Won't go. Fight for the rebound. Braga the rebound. Put back. And foul. First bullseye. First blood. NCR Braga. Final throw. Bullseye. Di kayo. Paterbornia. And here's Bahenting. Crossovers behind the back sa gitna. Atake bump. Pick. Pass. Sinausaw. In front of Braga. Grabing hiyawan ng mga tao dito. Inside pass Braga. Poke away. Stolen. Sanoria inside pass. Paterbornia. Par. Oh my foul. First throw. Paterbornia is good. Final throw, Paterbornia, short. Mapupunta dito. Rockid the rebound. Rockid corner pass. Open far sa 3. Bang! Rockid. Bahenting against Rockid. Paterbornia. Pass to Pellegrino. Pellegrino making his way. He goes to the middle. Create the space. Pass rejected. Sanoria the rebound. Stop to the middle, open look, Bahenting, won't go. Rebound dito sa Noria, kicks out sa gitna. Fast Cayetano, bang! Cayetano. Orca, stop, kicks it out. Pass back. Here's Rockid, picks, drives inside, kicks it out, open, fast at 3. Won't go. Rebound, put back, my foul. Rockid at the free throw area. Basket is good. Pellegrino slowly dribbling the ball. Goes to the right. Nadapa. Nadula si Pellegrino. Bajenting bounce pass. 1-on-1 number 17. Pinabitin of the window. Inain. Go para sa Team NCR. Pascual to number 12. Rockid. Cross pass. Pascual picks. Pascual is spinning. And deep 3 for Rockid. Won't go short. Pellegrino nakalusot. Oh! Sinausaw ni Pellegrino. Pascual. Sa gitna. Rockid. Number 22. Rockid. He wants some screen. Attacks, bump, open look, Pascual for 3. In and out. Rebound, bump. Sa gitna. Sa 3, squad open. No good. Rebound dito para sa NCR. Oh, grabe si Rockid. Rockid, then Pellegrino against number 12. Spinning, attacking, lays up. Pellegrino first is in. Final free throw. Basket is good for NCR. High pass, corner. Inside pass. Fars off the window, bullseye. For the inbound, number 14 Bahenting with the leather. Bounce pass. Number 14 tries a triple. Bang! 3 points. Bahenting against Orca, number 28. Goes to the screen. Switch. Pass to Satres ulit. No good. Rebound number 17 for Davao. Sanoria. Corner pass. A triple shot. 3 points. Bahenting signaling the play. Bahenting now at the top. Goes the screen by number 17. Create space and number Sanoria. Corner 3, another triple. Bam! Same spot. And number 18. Corner pass, Pascual. Sa gitna, Orca tries a triple. Short. Bahenting. Nakalusot. Chest pass, Sanoria. Kicks out, another triple. Bam! Second quarter action here, Rockid. Pass inside, Braga. Kinain, basket and one, Braga. Braga won't go. Bahending, signaling the play. Sa gitna, number 17. Against Braga, kicks out, natapikan, recover by Hending, top shot, basket is good, off the glass. Rockid. Inside pass Braga, hook shot, agad po, back to back for Braga. Hending, pass to number 17, pass to number 14. Against Braga, triple shot, bang! Another three. Bahending. Pass to Butterbornia. Bang! 3 points. Rockid. Cross pass. Pass back Rockid. Rockid goes inside. Fires. That's good against Butterbornia. Bahending. Stop takes. Kicks out. Sanoria for 3. Bang! 3 points. Space na agawan. Here's Rocky. Binit-bit. Lace. Wala. Reverse layup. It's 2. And here's Team NCR. Hook pass. Open far sa 3. Short. Rebound. Put back. Sinausaw. Butterbornia bumangga. Fires rejected. Rockid, sinausaw! Rockid! Pellegrino against Rockid. Pellegrino. Deep 3. Off the mark. Rebound Sanoria. Put back shot. Bullseye Sanoria. Rockid. Orca. Goes to the screen. Bounce pass sa gitna. Pinabitin pa. Tips in, basket is good. De Los Reyes. Pellegrino. Pellegrino crossover. Attacks, napalsut out. Kicks out, fires a triple. Won't go. Rebound mapupunta dito kay Pellegrino. Open triple shot, wala pa rin. Sanoria kicks out. Another triple shot. Bang! 3 points. And the pass back. Rockid kicks out. Step back for 3. Bang! The answer. Orca. Bahending. For 3. Won't go. Rebound. Napupunta pa rin dito sa Davao. Pellegrino creating space. Kicks out Sanoria. Bahending triple shot. Bang! 3 point. Bagending. It's against Braga now. Oh, no. Rebound put back shot. Bullseye. Sanoria. Rockid. Pass back Rockid. Rockid side step. Kicks it out. Open look. Launches on 3. Bang! The lucky bounce. Pellegrino against Pep Avillar. Dancing, attacking, binit-bit, rejected by Braga. Rockid, pass to Pascual, open fire sa 3. Bang! The Knicks. 47-35. 12-point lead para sa Davao. Bahending spinning. Pull-up jumper against tall guy. Bang! Bullseye. Bahending. Sa gitna against Rockid. Behind the back dribble. Crossover. Pass to. Oh. Hinabol. Fires off the window. Bullseye. Number 23. Number 4 goes to the screen. Kicks out. drives inside sa gitna. Hook shot, bullseye. Bahente wants some screen. Bahenting. Stop pull-up jumper. Bullseye! Bounce pass. 23, Orca. Cross pass. Sa gitna. Orca. Kicks out. Pull-up jumper long two. That's good! Number 4, Pascual. Bounce pass inside. Attacking against Butterborn niya. Hook shot. That's good. Down to 8-point lead. 51-43. Bahenting. Sanoria. Sanoria. Pass it to number 1. Luge. Pull up jumper. Oh, no good. Rebound dito NCR. Number 23. Between the legs. Goes to the screen. Corner pass. Bounce pass sa gitna. Orca. Try a triple. Bang! Rebounds down to Pellegrino. Pellegrino at the top. Attacks. Stop. Picks. Inside pass. Butterborn niya. Sinausaw. Wala. Pinabitin. Basket and one ang gusto. Woo! Butterborn niya completing the 3-point play. No. Rebound dito NCR. Rockid against Butterborn, against Bahenting sa gitna. Orca, pass to Pascual, wide open for 3. Bang! 3 points. Bahenting slowly dribbling the ball. He goes to the screen. Between the legs, crossover move, bounce pass. Here's Butterborn niya posting up. Sa gitna, Sanoria picks, kicks it out. Bahenting dancing, goes to the screen, crossover move. Corner pass for 3. Bang! Final quarter action here, Sanoria kicks it out. Pellegrino left alone for 3. No good. Rebound dito sa NCR. Rockid. Pass to the middle, number 23. Attacking the defense. Here you go. Go off the glass. 57-51. Number 14. Saving the gun. Stop spin. 5. Goal. Attack sa gitna. Braga, pull up jumper. And Davao City up by 9. Stops. And it's Rocket. Kicks it out. Takes, drive. Pull up jumper. Oh, too strong. And Pellegrino. Bomb. Creating space. Picks. Pull up J. That's good. The friendly roll. Number 23 Rocket to number 23. Attacks. Pull up jumper. In and out. And here Braga. Up. Oh, trap. Goes to the screen. Sa gitna, Butterborn niya. Picks. Pellegrino. He goes to the screen. Attacks. Picks. Fire. No. Rebound Butterborn niya. Spinning. Fires off the window. No good. Rebound dito number 23. Number 9 Rockid. Attack. Side step. Fires. That's good. Rockid. Bahenting. Bump. Behind the back. Dancing at the floor. He stops. Bounce pass. Butterborn niya posting up. Kakaldag hinatid. Oh, that's good. Ito para sa NCR. Rocket. Straight to the hoops. Lazy na usaw. Rocket. Pellegrino. Goes inside. Short. Rebound dito. Para sa NCR. Rocket. Rocket. Pass sa gitna. Orca attacks. Pull up jumper. It's good. Down to 7-point lead. Kicks out. Attacks. Takes. Pass. Off the glass. Grabe yun. TR. Rocket. Rocket. Attacks. Please. That's good. The lucky bounce. For the inbound. So, Sanoria is spinning. Bounce pass. Bahenting. Pass to Baterbonia. Side step. Pellegrino kicks out. Open look for 3. Bam! Shoot. Rocket. Pull up jumper. It's in.